Welcome, dear students. In today's video we will be talking about reproduction in animals. Dear students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. Sexual reproduction in animals involves the formation and fusion of male and female gametes, resulting in the development of genetically unique offspring. It is a complex and highly diverse process across different species, but the basic principles remain the same. Let's talk about the key features of sexual reproduction. It involves two parents. A male and a female contribute gametes. The gametes are haploid. Male gametes, sperm, and female gametes, ova/eggs, carry half the genetic material, haploid. Fertilization, fusion of gametes forms a zygote, which develops into a new individual. Genetic variation, offspring are genetically different from their parents due to the recombination of genes. Dear students, you should know the modes of sexual reproduction of different type of animals, so let us know about them. Oviparous animals, which are the egg-laying animals, eggs are laid by the female, and the development of the embryo occurs outside the mother's body. Examples: birds, reptiles, amphibians. Eggs may have protective shells or be soft. Viviparous animals, also called live-bearing, the embryo develops inside the mother's body, and the young are born live. Examples: mammals, humans, dogs, cats, provides better protection and nourishment to the embryo. Ovoviviparous animals, the eggs remain inside the mother's body, but the embryo is nourished by the egg yolk. The young hatch inside or are born live. Examples: some sharks, snakes. Students, now let's talk about the human reproductive system. The male and female reproductive systems work together to enable sexual reproduction in humans. Each system has specialized organs and structures for producing gametes, sperm and ova, facilitating fertilization, and supporting the development of offspring. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is designed to produce sperm and deliver it to the female reproductive system during reproduction. Key organs and their functions: testes, testicles, function, produce sperm, male gametes, and the hormone testosterone. Located in the scrotum, which keeps them slightly cooler than body temperature for optimal sperm production. Epididymis, function, a coiled tube where sperm mature and are stored until ejaculation. Vas deferens, function, a tube that transports mature sperm from the epididymis to the urethra during ejaculation. Seminal vesicles, function, secrete a sugar-rich fluid, semen, that provides energy to sperm. Prostate gland, function, produces a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm during ejaculation. Urethra, function, the tube that carries sperm out of the body during ejaculation. It also expels urine, but never simultaneously. Penis, function, delivers sperm into the female reproductive system. Scrotum, the scrotum is a pouch of skin and muscle located outside the male body, just below the penis. It contains and protects the testes, testicles, which are responsible for producing sperm and the male hormone testosterone. Temperature regulation, the scrotum helps maintain the testes at an optimal temperature for sperm production, which is about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius cooler than the body's internal temperature. Female reproductive system, the female reproductive system is designed to produce ovas, eggs, support fertilization, and nurture the developing fetus. Key organs and their functions: ovaries, function, produce ova, female gametes, and secrete female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Each ovary contains thousands of follicles, where egg maturation occurs. Fallopian tubes, oviducts, function, transport the egg from the ovary to the uterus. Fertilization typically occurs here if sperm meets the egg. Uterus, womb, function, a muscular organ where the fertilized egg implants and develops into a fetus. The inner lining, called the endometrium, thickens during the menstrual cycle to prepare for pregnancy. Cervix, function, the lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. It serves as a passage for sperm and childbirth. Vagina, function, a muscular canal that receives sperm during intercourse and serves as the birth canal during childbirth. Students, here is a puzzle for you. You can pause the video and solve this. Here are the answers for you to recheck. Now students, this is an overview of the steps of sexual reproduction. Reproduction. 1. Formation of gametes, gametogenesis, male gamete, sperm produced in the testes through a process called spermatogenesis. Female gamete, ovum/egg produced in the ovaries through a process called oogenesis. 2. Fertilization. Definition: the fusion of the male and female gametes to form a zygote. Types of fertilization. External fertilization, gametes are released into the external environment, e.g., the fish, amphibians. Internal fertilization, fusion occurs inside the female body, e.g., mammals, birds, reptiles. 3. Development of zygote, the zygote undergoes cell division, mitosis, and develops into an embryo. the embryo grows into a fetus and eventually into a fully developed organism. Now, dear students, let us talk about the menstrual cycle. Menstruation typically begins during puberty, ages 10 to 16, and continues until menopause, around ages 45 to 55. A normal period lasts 3 to 7 days. Blood loss during menstruation is usually about 30 to 80 milliliter. Irregular periods, extreme pain, or heavy bleeding may indicate underlying health issues like PCOS or hormonal imbalances. Let's discuss the steps of menstrual cycle. Menstruation, day 1 to 5. Lining of the uterus is shed, resulting in the release of blood and tissue from the body through the vagina. Follicular phase, when the pituitary gland releases hormones that stimulate the growth and development of ovarian follicles. Ovulation phase, when a mature egg is released from the ovary and is ready for potential fertilization. Luteal phase, empty ovarian follicle becomes the corpus luteum, producing hormones that prepare the uterus for possible embryo implantation. Key aspects of reproductive health: proper functioning of reproductive organs, ensuring that organs like ovaries, testes, uterus, and others work correctly. Regular checkups can help identify and treat reproductive health problems early. Safe motherhood, ensuring prenatal and postnatal care for pregnant women to reduce risks during childbirth, includes proper nutrition, regular medical checkups, and awareness of safe delivery practices. Prevention of STIs, protecting oneself from sexually transmitted infections, STIs, like HIV/AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea through safe practices, e.g., using condoms. Early diagnosis and treatment of infections can prevent complications. Adolescent reproductive health, providing education to teenagers about puberty, menstrual health, and reproductive responsibilities, helps in reducing myths and stigma around reproduction. Thank you, dear students. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.